how to add payment method on your Blizzard Battle.net account on PC. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to blizzard.com or battle.net. This is the home page. Now go here in the top corner, click on here. Now on this page, all what you have to do is go to battle.net balance. As you can see, I have 0. Click on payment method, and here you will be able to add a new payment method easily and fast. You can add credit card. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you in the next video, and thank you very much.